How to change font size on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change font size on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find chats, and then click font size, and here you can change it small or medium, and that's it. It's easy, and just select anything you want and go back. It will be saved. You need to restart your WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.